On this episode, we pick up a salvage Fiat for the wife. Welcome back to another episode. We left late last night from Texas. We're in Kansas City. We went to Copart, pick up a new little car for the wife, so she's gonna be excited about that. So we do a little walk around and then we do a little fix. Pretty trivial damage, so it should be an easy. As you can see, the damage is fairly minor. I think we can just pull it out a little bit and it'll be good to go. So none of the brackets, this little plastic bracket here, obviously broken, but the reason I bought this one is I actually have another red parts car. So it'll be pretty easy. I'm not gonna have to find any parts. It's actually in a bath. This one's a sport turbo, so they have the same body kit, just not as much money, I guess. So let's start taking the parts off it. Here's a little backstory. I've got a bit of a soft spot for the little Fiat. I've had a few, as you can see, there's a few parts cars. There's two there, and the wife's had a couple. She hit a deer in one and we fixed it, but I enjoy them. They're like little go-karts, good value for money, good MPG, like 36 miles a gallon, so really good. My wife drives about an hour to work each way, so it helps with the fuel bill. So that's kind of it. The red one I bought Copart a long time ago, steal some parts off it. And the parts we need are still left. That's the reason I bought this little sport. I was like, perfect, just what I need, got the bits I need. I paid a little more than I wanted to, only because I already had the parts. This was the little red Fiat's fate. I'm sure he rear-ended something. So that's what's left of it. I've taken some of the interior out and a bath, just a little sport, so it's mostly dead. Couple of bits here and there, fender, door, but most of it I think I'll just end up going to scrap. Pull one, another Fiat to scrap, but you can only do so much. They're not really worth too much in parts. The aftermarket's really got most of that covered. So. Thanks for watching my video. If you found my little road trip entertaining, leave a thumbs up and a like. Think of subscribing if you haven't. Come back tomorrow. We're going to finish the rest of this. We're going to pull it out, put the rest of the parts from the other one on, and then that should be good to go. So come back tomorrow. We'll see you then.